Hey everybody, welcome to Alaskan Reactions. Whew, I've been on an epic few weeks of a trip. I'm gonna still do my back to the beginning review. It's just gonna take a little while. I'm trying to coordinate with my buddy Jeff, who lives in Michigan. It's a 4-hour time change. It's just trying to get us both on the same time frame and be able to get a Zoom set up to record. There's a lot of moving parts, so we will get to it. But since I was just at back to the beginning and I just saw the warning, I did my warning reviews yesterday. I thought I'd do. I got a lot of requests to do this cover by Tommy Johansson, "Crazy Train," which obviously is an Ozzy song, as we all know, probably Ozzy's most famous solo song. So we're just gonna jump right in, right? I mean, it's Tommy. He's awesome as always. I'm sure this is gonna be epic. I'm excited to check it out. It's right here on Alaskan Reactions. Oh. Oh, Zach.
Crazy, but that's
Very true. Thank you, Ozzy. Very cool. I mean, everything Tommy does is great. Um, he played it. He played it great. I mean, I can't argue with it. He changed the lyrics a little bit. The last line, um, it felt like he did kind of a little squeal, especially at the beginning when he first started playing. That made it sound a little bit more like Zach would play it than necessarily Randy Rhoads would play it. But he was still very true to the original, and I loved it. I mean, Tommy's voice is amazing. So, and as is his guitar playing and his bass playing, it was great to see him. I know he does everything, so it was cool to see him hitting the doo 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 on the bass. All that it was wonderful. It was great. I mean, I can't. There's nothing negative to say about this song, and the fact that he, thank you for all your music, Ozzy. At the end of it, it obviously shows that he's a true Ozzy fan and a Black Sabbath fan as well. We saw that in the was it the Powertrain video where he had little Easter eggs and stuff with Ozzy in there as well, and maybe even Sabbath stuff in there too. I can't remember if it was just Ozzy or Ozzy and Sabbath both. I'd have to look at the video again. But again, that's one of the things I so love about this channel is the things I've gotten to discover. Yes, I've shared a ton of music that I know already with the people when I have people on here, but when I'm doing it by myself, I'm obviously not going to review an Ozzy song that I already know by Ozzy Osbourne that I've heard a tons of times the way he does it, right? I'm going to try and do new things. So to hear this cover of Crazy Train is great. To get introduced to Sabaton is great. To get introduced to Love Bites is great. To get introduced to The Warning, one of my now all-time favorite bands already, is great. And tons and tons of other Baby Metal, Electric Callboy, etc., etc. Tons of other bands I've been introduced to because of this channel, and getting to spread my wings in music is wonderful. It's so wonderful, and that's what I love about doing this, and that's why I'm going to continue to do this, because we certainly don't do it for the money, because there is no money in doing this. People think reactors make a ton of money. We don't. My cumulative so far, I believe, is $50, and they don't even pay you out till you get to 100. So I haven't even been paid out of that $50. So not in this for the money, in this for the music, and it's great that I've got to learn about players like Tommy and so many others. So and get to meet some of you great people and interact with you in the comments. It's wonderful. So as always, kindness is free. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, when you're out and about today, make sure you live it up some. Rock on.